This is men's work clothing long sleeve. Coveralls, high quality overalls, worker, repairman, machine, auto repair, electric, welding, absenteeism. Item specifics. Brand name, CCGK. Usage, utility and safety. Feature, thermal, quick dry, windproof, waterproof. Gender, unisex. Item type, sets. Fabric type, denim. Material, cotton, polyester. Model number, 3502. Length, long section. Addition type, straight. Season, long. Applicable, staff. Material, cotton, polyester. Is customized, yes. 100% original, high quality, you can wear it when you're going to work outside. Size information, height cm, medium equals 170 centimeters. Large equals 175 centimeters. XL equals 180 centimeters. 2XL equals 185 centimeters. 3XL equals 190 centimeters. 4XL equals 195 centimeters. It's a perfect cloth for repairman, machine, auto repair, electric, welding and absenteeism work. Reasonable price and different color available. Totally safety and comfortable when work. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like, comment and share.